Where are you going? What are you doing? I'm young and turned. Hello y'all, hold on. Oh, the video stopped. So y'all, tomorrow I'm finna be going on a yacht party, and you know, I'm finna vlog that. I'm finna get y'all right with some content of the yacht party. Cause so me and my friend today, I should have vlogged it, I didn't, but me and my friend today went to a few shops. Went to Target, went to Rainbow, went to Mad Rag. Where you go to Mad Rag? We go to Mad Rag. We went to Rainbow and like Ross and like TJ Maxx. See if we can find a bikini for this yacht party, because we both was like, we don't got no bikini to wear. Like, we finally go to like, sorry y'all. We finally go to this boutique that she knows about, and it's called Luxe Boutique or Luxe something. It's so good, it's so cute in there. They have all of, like, if you want to find a going out outfit, you go find one. Got a red one, but like it's those metallic bikinis that everyone's wearing. And I told about my other friend who's coming on the yacht about it, and she went and got it in silver. We all have like a different like look, but we have like the same like metallic-y like bikinis, and like I'm finna wear like some bottoms with it, like some like sheer like pants, and then yeah, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna wear a top in there for real, but yeah, I wanted to buy sunglasses, to be honest, but I don't know if I'm gonna get sunglasses. I'm gonna start vlogging tomorrow, or I don't know, like maybe I'll start tonight, because I don't know, maybe I'll get back to y'all tonight and tell y'all what's going on for real, because I don't know the full details and the full plans. But it's still summer, like I said in my last video. We outside, we ain't got no. Where are you going? What are you doing? I'm young and turned. Who gonna tell me no? Anyways, y'all, so we're at do this. How do people do this? Oh.
Yeah, it's on 4-6.
Can you please press 11? Thank you.
So y'all, we at y'all got a cat.
She cool, but when she get in my room, she be acting crazy. I don't like cats on my bed. Alright.
So y'all, we at Jaslyn's.
Hey y'all, what's up?
We all ready. We waiting on this dude to come pick us up, but they taking too long.
Right.
But we ready. I'm wearing this. We all wearing.
But it's different, like.
We all, yeah, it's different. I feel like you might see more bitches wearing them too. Like,
I really don't remember this.
we all wearing. Y'all got a whole panel in here? Oh, we got a panel too. I didn't even know that.
I just forgot.
You know how to work it?
They showed me so many times, but I really.
Who showed you? Roommates or like?
Inmates. Okay.
They ain't never showed us. I'm wearing these I don't know. We all wearing these like metallic bikinis. I'm wearing red. Maya's wearing silver. And Jasmine's wearing gold. Gold.
Now everybody go to breakfast.
Y'all, so we here. Oh, they right there. Y'all both got something? What? How much is the churro? I'll be alright.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Alright, so basically, do anybody else want this?
And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari.
Y'all, shot number 2. My makeup starting to look real melted.
2 more people come. Actually, it's A.
I shouldn't have worn makeup. I knew I shouldn't have.
Yeah, can you touch the
Anyway,
Nobody ready to be going up?
where we need to go is the gym. That's
There's like back of ice in the freezer.
I got one thing.
wait. We ain't gonna. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense.
I don't have a black.
I don't know. We put on short glasses here.
I thought
but-
she probably threw them away.
This is no, you got a heavy hair.
That's good.
I thought I had heavy hair, but you got a heavy hair.
That's good.
Okay. Is that good?
That's like a.
Mine, no, she wants like a. I don't know why you playing like you want to drink.
Mix my liquors.
Yeah.
What's wrong with mixing?
You just a drinker. These limes a bit. It's gonna help. Here.
It don't matter to me.
That's so tough. Sorry, you two.
For some reason, I forget. Just don't get mad at me. I don't remember. Cheers. I miss my mouth.
Appreciate it.
Oh, you got one Red Bull? Thank you so much. You a lifesaver.
Hold on.
Y'all see this right here? Yeah, I know.
Can we take pictures before
Yeah,
I don't get
pictures now.
sweaty and my makeup off? Because people wiping my makeup off when my glasses fucking it up.
Yeah, my bad.
You been there for 2
Jamaica or Haiti?
Jamaica. I've been there once. My family's Jamaican, so
Oh, your family?
my family's Jamaican, but I'm not Jamaican, so I would be around the
How's your
culture.
family Jamaican? Are you not Jamaican? Just that family.
Oh, that's okay.
Exception. So you been to Jamaica before?
I'm trying to go to Jamaica for my, I don't know. I want to my 21st.
Carnival, I'll go to Jamaica.
For my 21st, I either want to go on a cruise
Very fast.
or I want to go to a resort like all of
When we
this.
stop, when we stop
brother
doing
pulled up and I don't know what I
the
want to
AC gonna start running up again, or?
The thing is that okay, so in the marina
no
we
more
had
AC.
AC. In the marina we had the AC.
He already said.
Y'all hurry up and finish.
No, you already told us. He just tripping.
Y'all hurry up and
You
finish.
already.
Shop power. We're connected to the shop power.
Okay.
It's like a camera. But the generator of the bus
You be alright. If we go outside, you be alright.
Look,
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. If I tell you where, you're not gonna know.
what I said.
Kingston, but like.
No, Sean Kingston.
What?
Oh, y'all have fun.
I recommend y'all eat some wings. Yeah,
No, let me try a wing. No, don't play with me.
Y'all
Wait, did you try a dry one? Are they all dry? Are they?
some dry, some wet.
You try to dry one or I want to dry one.
I'm going for like
I want to dry one.
They talking about some no more AC. Yeah, we gotta.
Reviving.
Selling away. Whoa. Prostituting ain't right, Stripperella. Says she flirt with her boyfriend, grudging him of money and bling, so she go bed with him. Catch disease, now it started spreading. She start to seek penicillin, she's dying. Mercy please, for life she begging. When she hears it,
What's up with the vlog, bro?
It's Mike got no sauce, but I always got the drip tapping in. Hey, I subscribe to the channel, bro. I don't know what she posts, but she a vibing person. She vibing. Fucking up the wig. Talking about she Jamaican. What you is, black and white? Jamaican and Haitian? Oh, you're not Jamaican. That's what it is. Y'all do it, y'all vibe. I know what it is. Y'all vibe.
That's just the way she chooses it. Says she knows how to be Carnival splash and sing, yeah. Hairstyle, nails and blink, yeah. She's doing business, just bring cash. One man can't satisfy.
So y'all, we getting ready to take photos. Jasmine's taking mirror photos, period. And I'm probably gonna take a mirror photo or two, and then we're gonna go up, either up or like just take your photos around the yard.
Need more wood for the fire. The sex price getting higher. Some more money she require. Oh, scoring land she desire. So from the prostitution work she won't retire. Flames and fire. Burn the sex all around the fire. Says she buy a bleaching cream to get well brown.
So we taking a shot for real?
Shot o'clock, what's up? Shot o'clock.
Actually, I'll take half. Can I get a Red Bull? Luciano, can I get a Red Bull?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Let me go there.
Can we get like 3 shots? But like not like a lot. I feel bad because I was mine up there. They still up there, so I'm not gonna get one.
Where's my cup at?
This is 2. Half of that. You want half of that. Half of that. Ain't you driving?
Why don't you go outside? It's so hot.
It's supposed to light up, but I'm waiting for some
How he did it? How he did it? You bought the lights and then you like sold it.
I bought the wheel and just put it in.
Oh, it's a wheel.
Feel so she will roll. Says she ready for try the L zone. Says she sexy pager and cell phone. She don't know the
Y'all, I just took a full shot. I'm out of there, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all boys, stay safe, bro. I'm out of I feel like she don't believe the line. You don't want me to leave the line.
I usually need a chaser.
That's dude.
Right. Tell him.
I'm out of there. I don't need a shot. They ain't finna be in the sauna, but I gotta hop outside. Shit too hot in here. Y'all already know, hit that motherfucking like, subscribe.
You heard him.
Y'all already know, hit that motherfucking like, subscribe.
You heard him. Anyways, I'm done vlogging. So y'all, we just,
What's your phone name?
I don't know, it's like 8 p.m. So we just chilling right now. We wait like, I don't know what time is it?
It's like 9:45.
It's like 9:45. I think the boat goes back at like 11. So we just chilling. We vibing. Y'all okay? I don't know what's going on, but we here. For sure. So they got wings. She got wings with her. They got wings. They got fruits. They got this pizza. That pizza was good. Hold this. That's pepperoni. I want cheese though if they have any. Hold this. Don't let it fall. This empty. There's only pepperoni. So y'all, I'm finna get me some wings because they got wings over here. Over there, they ain't got no food. Like, where'd you get a plate from? Oh, I see it. My bad. So, wings? Oh, for sure. Oh, for sure. He vibing. She hot. The popo here. Okay, y'all, I'm naked, like naked, like no self-respect naked, but I'm back at my apartment and hold on. I move out tomorrow and my phone's about to die.
Y'all already know, hit that motherfucking like, subscribe.
You heard him.